backpack, by the way, has been designed as part of a very special academic collaboration with the Dot School of Design. We're the drone and you guys are the bag, and together they make an incredible team. So I hope that this is just the start of one of many, many projects that we'll work on together, whether it's accessories, whether it's the drone itself.
So we have Mr. Rizvi from DOT. You would all just see it as a bag. When we all decided, okay, it has to be a backpack, we thought, okay, hey, call some bag guy and then get a bag stitch. But then Pete said, hey, no, let's go through DOT. So we were not knowing what is DOT. But when you have built this, we see making a bag is not just simply making a bag. There's a lot of science, there's a lot of engineering which has went to it. You may just talk more about bag and you can just speak about Avironix, your experience as well.
Thank you, Pete and Dinesh and Kannan for inviting me here. And we have our chairman, Mr. Ramnath, also sitting. So this moment, I would say, in 2000s, Steve Jobs launched iPhone and it changed the smartphone industry, and the rest is history, right? So I feel this moment is an iPhone moment for the drone industry in India. The reason is very simple, that we have discussed a lot of times with Pete also that understanding the importance of design is very rare in Indian companies, and the moment companies understood in the US, that is when the lot of intellectual property grew in US and a lot of other countries also. And now it is a moment in India where companies started realizing the importance of design. And in India, it is only two words. If you comprise India as a country, it is plural and rural. So everything in India is plural: culture, heritage, religion, population, language, and also problems. Problems are also plural. And the other thing is rural. Rural, the backbone of our country is rural, and the rural is empowered by agriculture. And anybody who is solving problems around agriculture will make India a better place, and both financially and also for the people who are working in rural. So coming to the bag, yes, as Kannan sir said, it is not just a bag, because the drone weighs around like 16 to 17 kilograms, and a person, the person who carried it also, they should feel comfortable in actually getting down the two-wheeler and then walking across the field, and then using it like multiple times in a day. And we actually analyzed a lot of personas in terms of like, what if the pilot is 25-year-old and 80 kilograms of weight, and what if the pilot is 35, 40 plus and they are like 90 kilograms of weight, and what is the height of the pilot. So is the average weight, average height, average weight, we calculated everything, and then we understood the center of gravity, how a person will carry the bag, and then he should not lean back or lean forward. And all the fields in India are, it has multiple terrains. So how will they use it when they know what is the height of the knee movement that will come when they climb up a terrain? So all these calculations and considerations of all these parameters, and then we designed this bag. And also it should also accommodate the pilot to use it like 3 or 4 times in a day, and understanding the context of how many acres of land the pilot would be going and spraying. So all these considerations put into that bag, and there are multiple layers within the bag and how we designed it. So eventually I think the team will explain about the bag, and when the customers buy it and use it, the most important thing in design is you should not feel that it is design and that is the best design. If you keep on talking about the design, that is not good design until somebody uses it, and they uses it without any restrictions or any kind of problem with the product. That is the best design. I hope that the bag will stand testament for that quote. Thank you so much for inviting us here, and to everyone out there, Avironix is doing really good in terms of developing indigenous system. and also everybody understands interior design or understands fashion design, but there is something called product design where you have to go and approach a designer to design your products. When we design a house, we don't design it just with masons, right? We go to an architect and design it. So there is a design profession, there are designers for everything. So I use this opportunity, sorry Pete, I'm using this stage as an opportunity to promote design, because there is a very much awareness that is needed for the Indian community to understand design and make design as part of your manufacturing and also production process. Thank you so much. Yeah.